So this is the normal program, the program which we wrote using the switch case statement to create a simple calculator. I have copied all the code here, but what are we going to do with this program now? We are going to modify it using while loops, as well as I will also show you how to modify this using do while loop. Why we need a while or do while loop? Remember, in the previous program, we asked the user to enter one of the options: addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, or modulus. The user entered the option and then we performed one of these operations. But it might happen that after performing one operation, the user wants to perform another operation. Okay, so a user wants to perform n number of operations because this is an iteration, so this can be implemented using a loop, but we do not know in advance how many times the user will perform certain operations, how many times will he do some arithmetic operations. So we cannot use for loop, we have to use while loop or do while loop. Okay, so we will put this switch case statement inside a loop. Okay, how to do this? Let us see. So initially we have declared two variables a and b. A and b are the values on which the user will perform the operation. Okay. So then a user will enter one of these options, that is which operation he or she wants to perform. Okay. Then the operation will be performed using the switch case. So I want that a user has the freedom to do as many operations as on different numbers as he wants. So what we can do, we can use the while loop. I write while true. True means this loop is always true, and here the loop starts. The user will enter the two values on which he or she wants to perform the operation. The values of a and b will be entered, and then we will give the option to the user as which operation he or she wants to perform: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or modulus. Then the user will enter his or her option. Then we will perform switch on option. Case 1 will do the sum, case 2 will do the subtraction, case 3 will do the multiplication, case 4 will do the division, case 5 will do the modulus operation, and there is also a default case for invalid option. Okay, and here the case ends. Okay, so but what if the user wants to repeat the same thing again? So we will write a message cout, do you want to perform another operation? Enter capital Y or small y. For yes, capital N or small n for no. Okay, so this is the message we are displaying, and as the user will enter a character, we need char data type variable to hold that character. So the user will enter the character, we will hold that inside a variable ch. Okay, so we have ch. Now we can decide whether to repeat or not based on the value of ch. Okay, so if ch is equal to capital N or ch is equal to small n, then we do not want to repeat. Okay, then we can say that we want to come out of the loop. We want to break out of the loop. So we put a break here. And if this condition is false, that is the user has entered capital Y or small y, and in fact any other number except this capital N or small n, the break statement will not be executed. Break statement will not be executed, so we will not come out of the loop. Instead, we will repeat the loop, right? So let us try to test. Let us save it. Calculator loop.cpp. There is a problem here. Missing terminating character. Okay. I forgot to put a single double quote here. Expected semicolon before char. Okay. Enter A, let's say 23, enter B, let us say 45. I want to perform addition. Sum of 23 and 45 is 68. Okay, do you want to perform another operation? I enter yes. Enter A, enter B. My option is 4 now. Quotient is 69. Okay, do you want to perform another operation? Let us enter T. Although I entered T, this condition does not came true. Why? Because this will be true only if you enter capital N or small n. Okay, break will be executed only on entering capital N or small n. If you want to repeat this loop, you can enter any character except capital N or small n, right? So let us enter any two numbers. Subtraction. Okay. Now I enter small n. Now the loop has stopped, right? Here we need a new line. Okay. So this was using the while loop. We can do the same thing using the do while loop also. So let us modify this program. Here I write do. In case of do, the program will be executed at least once. So you will perform at least one operation. Okay. In case of while also, we wrote here while true. It means the condition is true. The condition is true. So the loop will be executed at least once here also. In case of do also, the loop will be executed at least once. So do, and here do you want to perform another operation? Enter yes or no. The user will enter the value and we will scan that value. Okay, so do we need a break statement here? No. In case of do while, we can put this condition here in while. While ch is equal to capital Y or small y. It means we will repeat this loop as long as the user enters capital Y or small y. As the user enters any other character except this capital Y or small y, the loop will stop, right? Okay, let us run it. There is an error. CH was not declared in this code. The character CH which we are using here is inside this loop, but we are using it outside the loop. So there is a problem of scope. We need to declare it here. Now it is available outside the loop, outside the body of the loop also. Okay. So enter A, enter B, enter any operation. So you got the answer. If you want to repeat, you will have to enter yes, enter A, enter B, enter any operation. Okay, you got the product. And if you want to stop, you have to enter any other character except capital Y or small y. Let us enter R. Okay, the loop has stopped. So this program demonstrates the use of while and do while